We fooded.
Hello.
And now it's storming.
Phone connected.
Yo.
Yo.
Who that?
Hey.
You just gotta tap it once. Greg, you in?
Yeah. Yep.
You in?
Yep.
Cool.
Oh, damn. Your seat got a little moist.
Mother.
And I have 2 wet gloves now.
Yeah.
That's why you see, that's why, like they say, motorcycles, you never stop buying gear.
Yeah, right?
Especially in Florida, like, you have to buy more gear because your gear's always going to be wet.
Yep.
People don't understand up north. They just don't get it. Oh, Florida, you got perfect riding weather. No, we don't.
Dude, I know. That's the thing I always go back to is people always dropping that comment like, you can ride year-round riding weather. I'm like,
yeah.
You ever heard of a heat stroke? Because that happens here.
Do you know what heat strokes and monsoons are?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, come on.
Yeah, for real, man. Like, it gets, I mean, okay, it feels really nice right now.
Like now.
It is like super nice riding weather right now.
Yeah.
But we have the chance of getting struck by lightning, and the roads are wet, and it's Orlando, so.
So we have bad drivers, lightning, rain, wet roads. God is mad right now.
Yo, I don't like this lightning shit, man. Not especially after that rider got struck.
How many bad things have you done lately?
Have I done?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Like, have you done anything wrong lately? Have you wronged anybody?
Are you talking like, do I have bad karma?
Yes.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, then you're good. I'm
Yeah, yeah.
No, sorry. I cursed again.
I'm very bad off.
I'm very bad off right now. No, I haven't done anything bad.
Karma is not the biggest fan of me right now.
No, I try to help people, man. I helped this guy the other day at Walmart. Like, he was in a wheelchair, and I helped him get some creamer.
Nice.
You know?
Little good deed, man.
Yeah.
Probably means a lot to him.
Not that I want anything out of it.
Right.
But can't be a complete piece of, you know.
Like everybody just goes straight to that.
Oh my! I didn't see nothing.
Yeah.
Oh jeez.
I hope the clouds are moving faster than we are.
Yeah, let's not rush then, huh?
Yeah, exactly. Let's just go with the flow.
Greg, how are you guys' tinted visors right now? I had to put mine up. I can't see shiznit.
Oh, it's not that bad.
Oh, we should have went to Kobe's Steakhouse. Look at that.
Aw, Kobe. Yeah, mine's it's reflective and tinted, but it's not so dark that you can't see. Like, I even use this thing at night, and it's fun.
Really?
Yeah.
Bruh. I was like, yeah, you know, I always like the iridium stuff. But this time around, I was like, for this helmet, I was like, I'm gonna get a chrome, you know, this is the darkest visor I've ever had. So it's like, gosh darn it.
Dead nabbit.
Dag darn it. Oh shit. I really hope your camera picked all that up.
It did. I hope. Every time it happens, it's like, oh shit. I'm like, oh man, oh damn it.
And oh no, it's up above us. It was above us. Dude, we're right next to like main power lines. We gotta get away from this.
Yeah, but I mean, if we're by main power
On
lines,
both
that means it would hit the power lines and not us, right?
Not always, man. We can go to Chuck E. Cheese if you guys want.
Oh, yeah, Chuck E. Cheese?
Yeah.
I'd love to get some little kid germs. I'd love to test my immune system.
Oh, look at the Power Wagon.
Power Wagon.
Those are kind of rare, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah. Not to mention the lightning that was over there when I was pointing. It was really bad.
So that truck comes like that? It says Power Wagon like that?
I mean, I think he might have overindulged with the Power Wagon stickers, but like they come like in that weird lifted looking configuration.
Wagon. That's just not an attractive word to me. Don't you do it.
Gotta flash your high beams at him.
Yeah.
I really like what you did with the turn signal and whatnot.
Oh, on the back fender?
Yeah, it looks so good.
Thanks, man. Trying to put that into production.
Yeah, you want to ride my bike?
You want to swap?
Yeah.
It's up to you, man. It's kind of rainy.
Yeah. I don't care. Don't worry about you. Don't goose it too much because it'll torque on you.
It'll torque on me?
Oh yeah.
Alright.
I'm just leave my phone there.
Thanks, Bob.
Oh, I finally get to ride one of these things.
Yo, the idle on this thing is crazy.
Different.
Blub, 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 blub. Okay.
Oh, I like that though.
You're like, ooh, okay.
I'ma try it out. Okay.
Open throttles, empty bottles. Ooh, ooh.
That's right.
Right next to Moonshiner and Guns Daily. This is who I am.
Extension of myself.
Oh man, since it has like the floorboards, I expect it to have like a back shifter.
I took that thing off.
Yeah. It was fine with me. I don't really ever use them.
Right. I wanted more space on the floorboard.
What height is the windshield on this thing?
That's an 11-inch Memphis shades.
Damn, really?
Yeah.
You would think it would come up higher than that. That's kind of crazy.
It's just you know, where the bars are in correlation to the seat height.
Right.
Like you have 15-inch handlebars on there right now. I know they don't feel 15-inch to you.
Damn, really? These are 15s?
Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah.
holy shit. Oh, you got that the S&S air cleaner too. That's nice, man.
Oh, thank you.
Looks good. Super clean, bruv. Super clean.
Oh, sure. Super dirty right now. I'm looking at it like, ugh.
Oh.
My wheels, dude. Ugh. Oh man, this clutch is so easy.
Yeah.
Man, hydraulic clutches are not easy to pull in, dude.
You're right.
Yeah, yours just does take a little bit more.
Oh man, I feel like, man. Alright, so I know when I get arthritis, I have to get an older bagger.
Can't you adjust hydraulic ones though?
Nope.
No?
No, sir.
This is a saddleman seat?
Yeah, that's, yeah.
Damn, this thing is firm, bro.
Well, I'm used to it.
Yeah.
But this definitely feels nice.
How long have you had this thing on here?
Well, I bought the sofa, the Saddleman, the sofa couch one as well for long rides.
Right.
But I bought that one, let's see, when I had the slip-on exhaust. So it's been over a year I've had it.
How many miles did you say you put on it?
That's probably seen 12,000.
12,000 miles?
Yeah.
Saddleman got in touch with me, right? And I'm talking to the marketing guy over there, and
Yeah.
They're basically saying how like people get their seats and they talk about like how firm they are and shit.
It's
And they're
definitely
like,
firm, but it's supportive.
yeah, they're like they gotta support, and you don't want like a floppy like cushy seat. They're like you want it to be comfortable, but if it's too mushy, it's actually gonna be worse for you. And they're like, yeah, they gotta break in, you know. So I guess they tell everybody they gotta break in.
Well, it's not gonna get soft on you, but it's more of like breaking your ass in.
Dude, it feels.
It's supportive.
Yeah. It feels nice for like how skinny it is.
Right.
You know?
I got the sofa on there for you next. You'll be like, oh.
Yeah. Oh shit! Is this that Lazy Boy mod?
Dude, I almost have $1,000 in seats. It's ridiculous.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Dude, looking at the lighting for the front on the FXDR is crazy.
Oh yeah.
It looks like some shit from what is that? That alien Danger, Will Robinson. What is that shit?
Greg, do you know that one?
What the? That guy tried to come over.
Mother sucker.
If I know what?
Danger, Will Robinson. Danger.
Lost in Space. Isn't that Lost in Space?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Lost
Yeah, this shit looks like the robot from Lost in Space in the front.
Danger, Will Robinson.
So, okay, you guys know whenever I first got the Iron, I would ride Dad's garage,
Yeah,
and I would film all the videos in his garage.
Right. I remember that.
It's back in there in the cul-de-sac.
Oh wow.
Yep.
So you know this area well.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
That's
cool.
how I knew to come here, and then
Right.
ride down, and this turns into John Young. Mother.
Oh my.
I'm telling you, every time there's lightning, well, we both say something. Greg's just back there chilling.
Greg's like, my bike's plastic. I'm all right. Fucking with you, Greg. I love you, Greg.
Dang, nothing back. He giving you the silent treatment.
Damn, that's all right. Oh yeah. Thanks, guy.
Yeah,
Same guy that tried to get in my lane.
it's a merge,
That's cool. He used his turn signal at least.
right?
I'll give him that.
Except that time.
Yeah.
love that shit whenever the exhausts resonate like with one another.
Yeah.
Makes me think of like, I don't know, I said the same shit when we were going to the Keys, like fighter pilots, you know, just like flying in formation.
The P-51 Mustang.
That's right.
Oh, I love this clutch, damn it. Block, I'm not gonna lie. You look good on there, dude.
Thanks, bruh.
Like,
Likewise.
I wish I could like record you right now. Like,
Oh, these bars are comfy, dude.
they're not bad.
Yeah. And the lumbar support, woo.
Yeah, you're definitely not gonna slide off.
It's like, and if you want to boost your seat, you just sit on the top of it.
There you go. There you go.
Dude, I love the way this thing idles.
Yeah, man. Throw the your next bike, throw that cam in there.
Yeah, for
1,000
sure.
miles on that bad boy, and give her hell.
Yep. Yeah, man. Just to alleviate the gas mileage of the truck, you know, I got to get a bike that's going to do distance well.
Dude, I ride 60 miles or so when I ride to work, and
Is that round trip?
Yeah, 60 miles round trip. I can put miles pretty quick on that thing.
Got 140 miles round trip.
140?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
So I'm looking at like 700-ish miles a week probably.
Broski, like totally. Like, you sure you don't want a road glide?
That's what I'm saying. Like, it totally makes sense to go with the touring. But oh man, I don't know. I don't know, man. You know, you got to look at a bike and be like attracted to it.
Yeah. No. Yeah. No, I totally get it. Totally get it.
Beauty is in the eye of the beer holder. I mean, I have an appreciation for them for sure. Like, they're not my style. I always say the same thing. They're not my style. But I totally appreciate the application. Like having the bags, having a front windshield, you know, having all like it's made for distance. There's an application that it's made for.
Right.
So I can have respect for that for sure. And like, would that fit what I'm looking for? Definitely. But like, is that what I want? Like, not quite. I think I can go the route of basically making something else that I like a little more fit the bill.
True.
For like what I currently need it for, but not be a touring bike, you know.
At the same time, it's like bikes are toys. They're meant to be like what you like.
Yeah, exactly. You know, it's a novelty, so it's like, yeah, I do want to have fun with it. It doesn't. I mean, like if I did just want to drive the truck, I would just drive the truck.
Exactly. Yo, by the way, you remember your gas lights on, so.
Yeah, you're fine. You got like what, 60 miles or something?
I changed it. Let me see. Yeah, you only got 1,200 miles on here. I love it. 59 miles.
Do you get rigid lights on the front of this thing?
Yep.
Those are nice lights.
I took them off the truck.
Nice. Yeah, I've been looking up, researching lights like crazy, and rigid is like top of the line, man.
I mean, there's like Clearwater, but dude, Clearwater, I'm not spending $700 for a pair of lights.
Yeah.
No way. So I just took those off the truck and retrofitted them on there.
No, rigid is good, man. It's a respected brand.
You see that there's a little switch down at the base of the handlebars to the left. It's got a little blue light. I don't know.
Oh yeah, I see it.
That's for the rigid lights.
Nice. Good you, Dane.
Hey, it's raining. Damn, this is the first time I wore these Levi's in a minute. Now, we're right in the dirty clothes.
Yeah. Yeah, I will say this front fairing is keeping a lot of the rain off me, so that's nice.
I'm soaked. My crotch is wet.
Honestly, like if I was right here, I wouldn't get rain at all. Like my elbows are.
Man.
No.
That woke me up.
Yeah, okay, everybody. Yeah, this is riding in Orlando right here. Okay?
Yeah. Oh, but we have year-round riding weather.
Yeah.
This morning was great.
Yeah.
Afternoon, not so much.
Yeah, this afternoon it was 110 degrees.
Mother.
Now it's, oh, ow. Now it's like 70.
Ah, this shit's getting big.
That's what she said.
Damn it, my GoPro. Open on one side.
Find a gas station.